today's topic. Good morning, everyone. We're doing 37 here. So
good morning.
The first morning, dear. Right. So the first item is one bunch of kale. How much is that? $3.39. And 2 ounces of bag of blueberries. Two packs, right? So this would be 2 times $3.99 and 2 of baby spinach, 2 containers of baby spinach. So this one would be baby spinach would be 2 times what? 6.99. And if he pays 40, so he paid 40, how much does he receive? So what's the remainder? So basically we add this together. So we have here, let's do this here. So the whole thing would be 3.39 plus 2 times $3.99 plus 2 times $6.99, right? And all this should be subtracted from what? How much would he pay? 40. So this would be 40 minus this. So let's try this together. So first of all, we do the addition or subtraction or multiplication or what? Of course, we do the multiplication.
Multiplication.
Of course. Thank you very much. So we'll do the multiplication together first, and then the addition, and then the subtraction for the last part. All right. So let's see here. We have 2 times 3.99. There is an easier way to do that, but we'll discuss it later. Let's see about the normal way. So we have here 3.99 times 2 equal. I will choose someone to help me with this one. Again, but this time actually I'm starting from 5C. 5C, and please mute your microphone, everyone. Mute your microphones, please. I hear people talking in the background, so this is actually totally inappropriate. I will choose from 5C, Yazan Najib. You're there.
Yes.
Yazan. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start right away. So how will you help me with this one?
We will start with 2 times 3.99.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, then we will.
So how can we do that? Yes. So we have here 2 times 9.
Yes, 2 times 9 is 18.
Mm-hmm. Right, 8 and. Okay,
Then
1.
Then 9 times 2 is also 18, plus 1, 19.
Right.
We will put down the decimal.
Decimal point here.
Yeah.
2 times 3.
2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7.
Right, so this part is 7.98. Thank you very much for that, mister. And we're still waiting for someone to help us with the second multiplication. This would be coming from, let's see, Anas from 5A.
Mister, what page?
Mr.
It's written on the screen,
This is
Mr.
5B.
Omar Rahibi. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
it's not. This is not page on the screen. I'm sorry. Basil, Sami, where are you going? Whatever. All right, Anas from 5B, please help me with this one. You need to
Yes,
give me
Mr.
the multiplication for the second part, which is 2 times
3.99.
3.99. Yes, thank you very
Yeah.
much. So we have here
2 and 9.
3.99 times
No, yeah, Mr.
2.
2 times 6.99.
39, sorry. We've done the 99, so we're doing the 39 now.
3.99 multiplied to 2 multiply 9 equal 18. 8 down and 1 up. 2 multiply 9 is 18. So it will be 9 down and 1 up. 2 multiply decimal point. Then 2 multiply 3 is 6. And the 1
Slow
is
down,
10.
yeah.
7.
Anas, slow down. Anas, slow down, please.
2.69.
So here.
I mean 6.99.
Mister, there is no 3.39 times 2.
Oh, my mistake.
Mr. It's 6.
Yeah. I've been looking to at a different question. Sorry. This is 6.99. All right, so let's see here. It's 2 times 6.99.
Mr.
Okay,
I can't
so we
see
have
you.
A.
What you wrote. You erased the one.
I erased and wrote it again.
Just a second.
Sure.
6.
Anyways, it's 99. You can see this corner?
Multiply to, I could say it now. Okay, it's 8 and 1 up. Then 2 multiply 9 equal 18 and 1, and the 1 is 19. Decimal point. You have the 1 up on the 6. 2 multiply 6 equal 12. Then it will be 13. 13.98.
Excellent job. So this would be 13.98. Thank you. Now you have, right, now we have addition. For this part, we have 3.39 plus 7.98 plus 13.98, and all of this would be minus minus this number, right? Okay, I'll choose here Ahmed Marai from 5A to help me with this one for the addition, Ahmed.
Okay.
So 40 minus this number. So we have here 3.39 plus 7.98. Would you like me to align that for you?
Yes. Yes.
All right, sure. Sure, no worries at all. So let's do it in the side here. So 3.39 and 7.98 and 13.98 plus and plus. Let's go.
Okay. 9 plus 8 equals 17.
Mm-hmm.
Plus 8 equal 23. Or 20,
No.
25.
25. Carry
The
2.
5 down, carry the 2.
Mm-hmm.
2 plus 3 equals 5, and 5 plus 9 is 14.
Mm-hmm.
And 14 plus 9 is 23.
Yep.
That's it.
Mr. Why
Three,
did you
that's
put 3.39?
13 plus 7 is 20, plus 3 is 23, and plus 2 is 25.
Right. Thank you very much, Ahmed. So the addition part here for this bracket, the big bracket, is 25.35. Thank you very much, Ahmed. Let's see here, back to 5C, and let's see who's here from 5C. Ziad Basim. Ziad Basim, help me with the subtraction, please. So we have 40. So the final part would be 40 minus 25.35. So let's align this together. I'll align it here for you.
4.00.
40.00 minus, right? 401. Ziad, I'm answering, or you're answering. So this would be 10. This would be 9.
Mr. I can see
10,
the
9.
Mr. I can't
What's
see
that?
the
Sorry?
It's not aligned.
It's not what?
It's not aligned.
I wrote it for you on the screen. Okay, you should see it now.
No, I can't.
You can't see it? Or what now?
Oh,
Do you see my screen
now
now?
Now I can see.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Okay,
10,
perfect.
10
Okay.
minus 5 equals 5. 9 minus 3 equals 6. We put the decimal point. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 3 minus 2 equals 1. The answer
Excellent. So the answer for this
There is no point.
be 14.
Mr.
So the
there is no-
remainder, or yeah, what's this one point?
He didn't put it,
No,
and he
He
didn't
did.
say it.
He did. I wrote it. You can see it.
I said,
Anyways.
but he didn't say it.
So I guess he did. Anyways, doesn't matter. We know this part now already. So the remainder for him would be $14. So he's getting back $14. Now we're starting our lesson here. Lesson 12.7, multiply decimals by decimals. Okay, let me explain this. In the addition and the multiplication by a whole number in this question was basically multiplying by 2 or by 4 or by 9, only a decimal by multiplied by a whole number. But in this question would be multiplying by decimal, right? So it's a bit of difference, because actually the decimal point would be changed a little bit. So let's see this example.
Sir, the answer for number 37 is 24.95.
24.
24.95. Or what?
The answer for this number 37?
Yes, the answer
14.65.
No, it's 14.65.
How?
I subtracted. He paid 40. Isaac paid 40 for these items, and he received back 14.65 because the items are for 25.35. So you
Sir,
subtract.
I have a question in 37.
Sure, go ahead.
Why didn't you take 11.37 from number 35 and add it to 6.99 times 2?
We could have done that. Yeah, we could have done that. He bought in the number 35, but actually this is a different person. Isabel is a different person. So we started the question as a new question. All right. This is a good and easy way to do it, of course. But we used it or we did it as a new question, so it's no big deal. Right. Moving on to lesson 12.7 now. We're discussing now multiplying a decimal by decimal. So let's see here, 12.8 times 10.3. Okay, let me answer this for you first, and then we will see about the other ones. All right, so let's see here. First of all, how many different places do we have here? One.
Two.
One
We have
decimal
two.
place here and one decimal place here.
Yeah.
So when we multiply, the decimal places would be added to each other. So it would be 2. So the decimal place would be after 2 digits. So let's try this together. Right. I'll ask someone to help. I'll ask someone to help me with the multiplication, but I will help with the decimal place. Right. So I'll choose Abdullah Walid from 5A. Abdullah Walid. I'd like you to help me with the multiplication,
Yes,
please,
please.
Abdullah. Yeah.
Yes.
So we're going for the simple, basic direct multiplication. Just go for the numbers, right? So start, please.
With the decimals I've added, right? I don't.
No. Forget about decimals. Just give me the direct multiplication for the numbers.
It will be 0. It will be 0 because the 0 multiplied by anything is 0.
No.
0
Just
multiplied.
no. Abdullah, you don't. I'm asking you to
Mr.
do
I know the
simple
answer. Can
about
I
the,
solve?
no, I'm asking Abdullah, please. So please don't interfere and give him a chance to try. Abdullah, I'd like you to multiply. Normally, forget about the decimal places, okay? So 3 times 8 and 3 times 2, 3 times 1, etc.
3 times 8 equals 24.
Or in carry 2.
Put the 2, yes. 3 multiplied by 2
Mm-hmm.
equals 6, plus 2 equals 8.
Mm-hmm.
Then 3 times 1 is 3.
3 times 1 equals 3. All right. So here, it's a number here multiplied by a number here. But this number is in decimal place. So we will see about that now. It's after one decimal place. Because actually it's one number times, I'm sorry. Here, this number is after one decimal place, yes?
Yes.
And this number also has one decimal place. So the answer would be like 2 decimal places. So it would be here, right? Okay, Abdullah, now we're doing the second digit. 0 times a number.
It will be 0.
What should we do?
It will just be 0.
Yeah, but we have to write 0 first. And then how many zeros? Multiply it. 0 times 8 and 0 times 2, 0 times 1.
1. It will always be 0.
Yeah, but you need to tell me exactly what should I write?
0. 0 multiplied by 8 equals 0. 0 multiplied by 2 equals...
First of all, we put a 0 because this is the second digit, yes?
And then 0. Then 0 multiplied by 2 equals 0.
Right.
Then 0 multiplied by 1 equals 0.
All right. Very good. Now let's see about the 1. We put first 2 zeros.
Yeah, 2 zeros, and then it will be 1 multiplied by 8 equals 8, 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2, and 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1.
All right. So this is how it goes. I've just put the decimal point after 2 places, all right? Because here 1 place and 1 place, so it would be 2 places, right?
Mhm.
All right, let's add this now.
4, bring the 4 down,
Mm-hmm.
and bring the 8 down.
Yes.
Put a decimal point. 3 plus 8 equals 11.
Mm-hmm.
We carry the 1 and put a 1 down. 1 plus 2 equals 3,
Yep.
and we bring the 1 down because there's nothing to add to.
Excellent, excellent. So the answer would be 131.84. Okay, you can see here
Mister,
we
I don't
have
understand why did you put the decimal after the 8?
point after the 8. Which 8?
In
The,
after in
the first 8.
3.84 or
Yes,
128.
3.8.
Okay, first of all, how many decimal places do we have here in the numbers?
2.
1.
After decimal point.
No,
Okay.
1. Okay.
Here, after the in the first number we have 1, and the second number we have 1. Yes? In this case, we move the decimal point 2 places. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right? In the previous lesson, we had only one number that has decimal place here, one number that has decimal places, and one number without any decimal places. See, that's why we're adding the decimal places together. So here in this question, you'll understand better because actually it will be like 4 decimal places moved. So let's try this one. Yahya, I'd like you to help me with this one, please. Can you?
Yeah, yes.
All right.
2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2.
All right. Actually, we start from the one below. Yeah. So 1 multiplied by 2. Actually, it's like this.
Okay, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Then 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. Then 1 multiplied by 0 is 0.
Right.
Then put the 0
So,
under it. Put a 0.
mm-hmm.
Then 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. Put the 6 down and the 1 up. Then 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72. Plus 1 equals to 73.
Right.
Then
73.
8. Yes.
Should I write 73 here?
Put the 7 up.
Right.
Then 8 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 plus 7 is 7.
Right.
Then put 2 zeros.
Right.
2 zeros. Then 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
Then 0 multiplied by 9 is equal to 0. Then 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0.
Very good.
Then
Now we have,
add. Yes.
we have 3 numbers to add together, yeah?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Because the Mr.
Yeah.
It didn't appear that you finished the steps, so it cannot add.
I'm sorry, I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, no. Class.
Okay.
2 2 and then 15, 5 down and 1 up, then 3, then 7, then 0.
You forgot one.
15, I said 15, put the 1 up,
Yeah.
then 4, then 7,
4. Okay. Right.
then 7.
And then 0.
Yes, you can.
And then
Okay.
why I'm keeping the 0 here? Why I'm keeping the 0 here? Yeah, Yahya. Because
said-
actually here, how many decimal places do we have here?
After 4.
We have 2.
And how many decimal places here?
Here 2. After the
2.
decimal 2.
2 up, 2 decimal places.
Yes.
And 2 decimal places here as well, right? So we put the decimal point after 4 decimal places. So it's here. So the answer is 7,452.
Okay.
10,000, right?
Okay.
0 point.
So
How,
0.7.
Mister? How to decimal places here? How?
We have after the decimal point here, after this decimal point. How many digits do we have? How many
2.
digits after decimal point here?
2 digits.
2. 2 and 2. So we add them together and we put the decimal point after the 4 digits.
I do. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, Mister.
Okay. Yes, dear.
Mister.
Yes, Khalid.
Mahmoud.
Mahmoud. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, Mister, why we put the decimal points after 4 digits? We need to put it after 2 digits.
We have 2 digits in the first number and 2 digits in the second number, yeah? Add them
Yes.
together. So 2 plus 2 is 4.
Ah,
Okay?
okay.
We'll see about other questions. All right, let's see here number 20. Coming from Mahmoud. Mahmoud,
Yes.
I'd like you to help me with this one. Can you?
Yes.
All right, let's try this.
6 times 2 is 12.
All right, 2 and carry 1.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5.
Mm-hmm.
And 2 times 4 is 8.
Okay. That's it. Now let's see the second part.
Put a
Put
0.
Yes.
And 9 times 6 is 54.
Mm-hmm.
5 up and 5.
Yeah.
9 times 3.
Yeah, 9 times
23. 23.
9 times
18.
2.
9 times 2 is
18.
18 plus 5, 23.
Okay.
And 9 times 4, 36.
Sorry.
Mister, it's not like this, Mister.
Yeah. 36 plus 2.
Yep, that's correct.
Yeah.
And 9 times 4 equal 36.
36. No, you forgot the 2.
38.
38.
38.
Mister,
let's
put
okay, Mahmoud,
decimal.
look,
Yes, put 2 zeros.
first of all, I'm sorry. The 9 times 2 was 18 plus 5 is 23, yes? 3 and carry 2. Don't forget the 2. So
Okay.
9 times 4 now
Is
9 times 4 is 36 plus 2, 38.
36, 38. Okay, now let's move on to the third digit, which is zeros. First of all, we have to put 2
2
zeros.
zeros.
0
times 6 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0.
Perfect. Now let's add.
Yeah, mister, you need to put a...
No, forget about the decimal point. Forget about the decimal point now. Just give me a moment. Right. Add يا محمود.
2. 2. 4 times 4 equal 8.
4 times. What are you doing? We're adding these numbers.
5 times 4 equal...
It's not times. It's plus. Add.
plus equal 9.
Yes.
Yeah, mister, you did a mistake, mister.
Made a mistake. Where?
Wait, 2, 6.
He said it's because you didn't put the decimal point.
No. I wouldn't put decimal points now. Just watch and learn.
It's after you get the sum.
Yeah, exactly. Mahmoud, continue,
8 plus
please.
3. Okay, 8 times 3 equal 11.
8 plus 3 is 11, and one up. Yes.
8 times 0 is 0.
It's not times, Habibi. It's plus.
Yeah, plus.
And you forget something else.
Anas, please. Anas. Please
And
repeat.
3 plus 0 equal 3.
Okay, we have 9 here, and we have 3 here. All right. How many decimal places do we have after the decimal point?
What?
How many decimal digits? How many digits after decimal point? 2 up and 2 down. So they are all 4. Mahmoud.
Yes,
they are 4. Yes. So the decimal point would be after 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the answer would be 3,992 out of 10,000. Right?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Let's see the next one. You're welcome, dear. All right. Let's see the next one. 22 coming from someone from 5C. Let's see here. Who's gonna help us here?
Yeah.
Abdullah Mazin. Abdullah Mazin, are you there? Mute your microphones, please. Those who have their microphones on.
Mr. Can I answer?
I will ask you to answer, Adnan. I will choose you if you're quiet, please. Abdullah Mazin, are you there? No.
Mister, I didn't understand.
I'm giving you more examples. Just give me the time, and we will answer more examples so you can just listen and understand. This is Yazan, yes? Okay, let's see here. Basil Sami Isa.
Mister, how do you solve number 20? I just came. Why you didn't put the decimals in 852 and...
Khalid, please wait for the next example. I'll explain it again, all right?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Can I answer?
I'm waiting for the person I asked to help me here.
Yeah, mister, who will answer?
I asked Abdullah from 5C. Abdullah, are you there? Yes. Okay, you need to talk, please. All right, would you like me to align this for you?
Yes.
All right, sure. So let's see, this would be 0.94 times 12.7. All right, now we go. Abdullah? Just simple multiplication.
Okay.
Actually, it's better if you do it the other way. I'm sorry for that, the confusion, but it's easier to do it like this. 12.7 times 0.94. Go ahead, Abdullah.
4 times 7 equals 28. 8 down to on top of the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 0 down, 1 on top. And 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 equals 5.
Perfect. Now let's go for the 9.
Put a 0 under the 8.
Excellent.
Then 9 times 7 equals 63. 3 down, 6 up. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6 is 24. 4 down, 2 up. 9 times 1 is 6 times 1 plus 2 equals 11.
Mister,
Perfect.
there is a mistake. How
For those who
4
are talking
times
without
2?
permission, please. Those who are talking without permission, Khalid Gol, you're not allowed to talk at all. Next time I will remove you from the class. Heard me? Khalid, did you hear me?
Yes, mister, I heard you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Now we're doing the third digit. Abdullah, go ahead. Abdullah, unmute your microphone and work, please, with me.
Put 0 under the 3 and...
Put 0 under the 3 and 0, another 0 under the 0. Yes, so 0 here and 0 here, yes?
Yes.
Okay, now start.
Then 0 times 7 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0, and 0 times 1 is 0.
Perfect. Now let's add.
8 plus 2 zeros is 8. And 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 4 is 9. 1
Yes.
plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1.
Where to put the decimal point here? We have here one decimal point here after one digit of one decimal place, and point here after two decimal places. So we have here 1, 2, 3. So where to put the points here in the answer?
Yes.
Where?
After 4 digits.
4 digits? Why 4 digits? How many digits? How many digits after decimal point here? Yeah, Abdullah.
1.
In the first number we have 1, and the second number we have 2. So we have 1 here and 2 here. So we add them together. 1 plus 2 is 3. So it's after 3. Yes, so it would be. So it would be here. 11.9. 938 thousandths or out of thousand, right?
Yes.
Thank you very much, Abdullah. Let's move on to the next question. And this would be coming from
Listen.
someone from 5A. Abdul Malik.
Listen. Listen before you start.
Those who are talking without permission. Don't talk without permission, please. Abdul Malik.
Yes.
We're doing number 20. 4.
24, Mr. 24.
Yes. So number 24. We'll do this together now. Okay, would like me to align it for you? Yes. Sure. So, how would you like to write it? 4.77 times 0.30.
I would like to write it 0, Mr. I would like it to be 0.77 multiplied by 0.36. Like
all
this.
right.
Yes.
Here you go. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. At the beginning, we'll multiply 6 by 7, which will equal 42. So 2, the first number. Then we'll put the 4 over the other 7. Then we'll multiply it 6 multiplied by 7. It will equal 42, but plus the 4, it will equal 46.
Carry 4, yeah? 6 times 0.
Then on the 0, it will 6 multiplied by 0, it will be 0. But because there is a 4, it shall be 4.
Excellent. Now moving to the second digit.
First, we have to add a 0 because it's the second digit.
Yes, correct. Now let's see. 3 times 7.
3 multiplied by 3 times 7 will equal 21. So 1, and we shall put the 2 over the other 7.
Right.
And it will be as well 21, but plus the 2, it will be 23.
Right. Put 2 here.
Over the 0, we'll add a 2, and it will be 2, because 3 multiplied 0 will not equal anything.
Excellent. All right. Now last digit, 0.
0, we'll have to add 2 zeros first.
Right.
Because it's the third number. Then 0 multiplied 7, 0. Multiplied 7, 0. Multiplied 0, 0.
Excellent. Now we add.
We add them up. 2 plus 0 and 0 will equal 2. 6 plus 1 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. And 2 plus 0 is 2. And 0, because there's no number left, we just put it down. But because now it's the decimal phase.
Now where to put the decimal point?
The decimal point, we have to first count the numbers which are behind the decimal point, and then that's how much numbers in front we put.
Yeah, so how many
So it will be behind the,
how many
so it will be there is 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, so that means it will be it will move 4 steps ahead. So right next to the 0 and in front of the 2.
Excellent job. Thank you very much, Malik. Moving on to someone from 5C, from 5B. Ali Musa, can you help us here or not? Ali Musa, every time I ask you and you don't help. All right, I'm choosing Omar Afar from 5B. Omar, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, Omar, I'd like you to help me with this one, please. We're having 26. Let's see number 26 together here.
Mister, I can answer.
I'm asking Omar here. You don't like Omar to answer?
Yeah, Mister, I don't
Okay.
understand the question. It's NT.
Yeah, so if it's n times 8.7 here, so what's n? N is equal to this
What's the
number.
meaning of it?
Take this number and put it here.
So 8.7.
So the question is equal 0.4 times 8.7. Mahmoud, did you get this part? N is equal to this number, okay? And the equation is n times this number. So remove this n and put the number here. Did you get it? Mahmoud?
Yes, and it's 4 times 8.7.
It's not 4, it's 0.4.
0.4 times 8.7.
Yes, correct. So now back to Omar. Omar, would you like me to align them for you?
Multiply 0.4.
Okay, so 8.7 multiplied by 0.4. Yeah, let's go.
We multiply 7 with 4 equal 28. 8 and 8 down and 2 up. And then 8 times 4
Right.
equal 32 plus 2 is 34.
Okay.
34. And then all 0, 7 multiply 0 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0.
But you forgot to put 0 first, because this is second digit multiplication.
Yes.
Now we add.
Because 348. And the
We don't do
decimal
like this, yeah. Yes, the decimal point will be where?
Before the 3.
Before the 3. Yeah. Actually, it's after the 3, because actually we're going from this direction. So it's after the 3, not before the 3. Excellent job, Yao. Thank you very much. All right, next one.
Mister, after the 3.
Because we're going from left to right, not right to left. Actually, we're skipping.
We have to be quick because it's 9:52 a.m.
Yeah. We're gonna be quick. Okay, let's go to 32. Actually, we're skipping number 26, 28, and 30, and we're going to 32, right? Okay, I'm asking from 5C, Adnan, to help me with this one. Adnan, are you ready?
Yes, mister.
Yes, very good. I like people to be ready with me. All right, so let's see about this one. We have addition and we have multiplication. Which one should we start with?
With the addition.
Why?
Because it's in brackets.
Excellent. So it's not exactly addition, it's parentheses. So we're starting with the parentheses according to the PEDMAS rule, yeah?
Yes.
All right, so let's see the addition first. Can we do it here?
Okay.
3.7 plus 2.6. So we can, okay. Would you like me to align them for you?
Okay.
All right, 3.7 plus 2.6. Yeah.
Mr. 7 times 6 equal 42. 2 and 4
No,
up.
it's not time. Adnan, Habibi. We're talking about addition here.
Sorry.
It's okay.
7 plus 13, 3, and we have 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 equals 6. And we put
okay,
the
so
decimal.
this part is 6.3 times 0.34. So we can just multiply this by 0.34. Okay.
We add
and then
0
continue.
up. We add 0 for the 6.3.
No. Then you mixed it up. For the addition, we do that, but for the multiplication, we don't.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead. So multiply right away.
4
times 3.
12.
2
you
and
have
carry
1. 4 times 6, 24, plus 1, 25.
All right.
Then we put 0. 3 times 3 equal 9. And 3 times 6 equal 18.
Okay.
Then we put 2 zeros. Then 0 times 3 equals 0, and 0 times 6 equals 0.
Excellent job. Let's now add 2.
2 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 2 plus 0 plus 0 equals 2. 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 10. And 1 plus 1 equals 2.
It's not 10. Actually, it's... okay, 14
okay,
and carry
11,
1.
I'm sorry, 11.
11, and then we have 1 here, so it's 2. Right, where to put the decimal point?
Decimal points.
After how many digits?
After 3 digits.
So before where to put it?
Before the 2 and after the 1.
Actually, we're going from left to right, so it's after the 2 and before the 1. So the answer here would be 2.142,000. Thank you very much. Mute your microphone, and we're moving on to number 36. Number 36 coming from someone from 5A. Mishal, are you there? Mustafa Khalid, are you there?
Mister, will we do number 34?
Direct number 34.
I can't hear you.
Mustafa Khalid, you should be using your headset, not loudspeakers. I cannot hear like this. I'm sorry. Osama, are you there?
Yes.
Perfect. Are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's see here. Number 36, coming from Mr. Osama, the great guy. I miss you, Osama, by the way.
Mr. 34, not 36.
I'd like to do number 36 actually because it's a bit different. We can do 34, fine, if you'd like to. I wanted to trick you anyway.
We will discuss it. What is the last question?
So we're doing number 34 now.
The 34
All right.
or 36?
Especially for, it's written on the screen, so please don't ask me that. Okay. Osama, please go ahead. How can I help you with this one?
Mister, it's small. I can't see.
Oh, I'll zoom in. I'll make it big. Don't worry. Don't worry, yeah, Mahmoud. Can you see it now? Mahmoud, can you see it now?
Yes.
Perfect. Osama, go ahead. How can we do this one? What shall we start with? Osama, are you still there? Osama has slept or what? Wake up, Osama.
Mister, his mic always does not let him talk. His mic.
Oh, okay, his mic is not working fine. Okay, no worries. Let's see here.
Sorry,
Ralph
my
and
network got me out. I came again.
Okay, fine. Go ahead, Osama. So how can we do this one?
12.78 minus 11.44.
All right. So let's see here the subtraction first. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. This 1 point. And then 2 minus 1 is 1 and 0. So this is the first part. So the first part here, I'm sorry. The first part here
Mr. The
is
period finished.
equal to, I can see that. Okay, no, thank you very much. 34 times 9.2. Okay, now let's multiply this by 9.2. Osama, go ahead.
We put 9.2 under the 1.34. Mr. Can you align them?
Yes, I've already done that. You can see it?
Okay. 4. 3 times 2 equals 6.
Yes.
And this will point, and 1 times 9 equals 9.
Decimal point and then what? I'm sorry.
1 times and 2 times 1 equals 2. And then
right.
9 times 4 equals 36.
Yes.
And 3 times 9 equals 27 plus 3.
Yes.
Equals 12.
Go ahead.
And then 8 plus 0 equals 8. And then 12. 3, 2, 1.
All right. Where to put the decimal point? Now add. I'm sorry. You add first. I think you can see my anyway, but just let's add them first.
I add.
So it's 12. Okay. So it's 12.
128.
Excellent job, yeah, Osama. Well done.
Mr. The period finished.
Yeah, we're done as well. Thank you very much for your time, guys. And we're gonna meet again on Thursday. Your homework for today is page 207, all of it.
Mister, are you gonna take the attendance?
Of course.
Mister, only 1 page or 4 pages?
What's that?
The homework is 1 page or 2 pages?
1 page, page 207.
Mr. I finished the homework.
You have to send it to me.
Mister, the homework.
Mister, I didn't send it to you.
Mister.
Should I go now?
Yeah, Mr. Mr. Can I go? I know
give me
number of
a moment, please.
Can we go?
Give me a moment. Go until I take the attendance. Don't go until I take the attendance, please.
Thank you, Mister, for the session.
You're welcome, dear.
I can't do the homework because
Finish that
Thank you, Mister. Can we leave now?
like from like page 312
It's like I'm about to reach it and it goes back to 300.
We're done here, by the way, guys. We're done here. You can go.
I know, I missed it.
Get ready for your next class.
I can't find
Bye.
I can't find
Bye. See you later.
Thank you, Mister.
Thank you,
Thank you
Mister.
very much, Talal. Thank you, dear. Thank you.
Mister, I have a problem on pages.
We're gonna discuss the homework. You have a problem. Omar, Omar Hisham, tell me what you have.
I have a problem with my workbook.
What's wrong with it?
Like page 204, it tells me to page 230. Why?
Mister, I have
So you have missing pages. You mean
Yes, I have
some missing pages?
or
Okay, send me the exact pages that you don't have, and I will send them to you as a PDF. No worries.
The multiplication.
No. Don't tell me. Just send me the pages that you don't have.
No.
As a message, Omar. As a message, whoever you have, whoever, yeah, as a message on WhatsApp or an email.
Mister, my workbook, chapter 12, lesson 5 until chapter 13, lesson 9 is not included in my workbook. I sent you email.
Yeah, send me that, and I will check the missing pages. I will scan them for you, and I'll send them for you.
I sent you the email and from chapter I told.
Okay, no worries. I'll check it and I'll let you know. Because actually, I've sent on the portal the scanned pages of these missing pages, so you can check them and find them on the portal soon.
When you will send them?
Soon, you should find them soon.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome, dear. Have a lovely day. Guys, he should go. He should go from here. Those who are still here, you have to go, please. Those who are still asleep here. Mishal, I think you come to sleep here. You don't know why you're here anyway. Khalid Goli, you have to go. Muhammad Ayman from 5C.